Was it that film, The Chronicles of Riddick, where they're on the planet, and as the sun starts coming around the corner, everything incinerates in seconds, and they got to do like a mad rush. Look at this. Look at it. No, I don't want a roll-out mat to sit on. Now go away, I'm trying to make a video. Right, shall I bother doing take 2? No. It's all part of the charm of having crap videos. Let's keep going. So yeah. Oh, I completely lost my thread now. Riddick! He's completely ruined my joke. I will press on regardless. The sun's coming round the corner, and it is now pretty damn unbearable just to stand here. So, next job now is to get these covered in reflective roofing tin, and then I've got some insulation to go in between, and then I'll put a sheet of white tin on the inside, and that'll make those insulated doors, insulate the railings down the bottom, and then we're having a couple of tinted windows up there just to let some light in so you know whether it's day or night. And then in the mornings I'll fold the bad boys back and let all the noise in from the traffic. And then he says, I'm choosing the one that doesn't shut properly yet. There you go. Still need a bit of finessing on that one. There. So, I think that's got to be up there with one of the crappiest videos I've made. Let's whack it up and see if we can get 10 views. Ha ha ha! I'm off to load the van up in a minute. She's going off to see her mum, and I am going off to get stuck in them mountains. Later!